Hi, my name is Apurva Vashisht, and for the past few days I was working on some projects. So the first one is to demonstrate YOLO technique. In this, first we will use an image, and our program should be able to capture the classes which we have used from the Coco classes. So I will just run it. This is the image which I am going to use, and from this we need to find out all the classes. Yeah, so this is created. So as we can see that it has classified the cars and the trucks. Nextly, we will transfer some live video and it should be able to find out the classes in the live video. So, and it's showing correctly. Now I will some other object. And this is the basically it is matching the features, so it is 0.90 and it's like fluctuating. You can see over here. And nextly, I have basically used trained my data set, and I'll be going to use this particular data set for classifying the drowsy and awake one. So you can see it's right now showing awake, and it should show drowsy when I'm acting like sleeping. Awake. So this is how it's working, and I would like to show the data set which I have used for this. Um, Basically, I have used 20 images for awake and I have used 20 images for drowsy. And I have used only 500 epochs for this purpose. Next, I have another done another project, and it's basically analyzing the WhatsApp chats and the sentiments behind those chats. So for this particular thing, I have exported the chats of one of WhatsApp group into my system, and I will just going to uh, analyze these sentiments based on two techniques. Firstly, based on the VADER technique, and secondly on the um, hugging face technique. And also, I will analyze these stats based on the user. So I will open my main file. So it's processing. So basically here first I have also pre-processed the data and I have cleaned it a little bit according to my needs. I will just import here the WhatsApp chats. This is from one of the group. So here as you can see, first we can see the username, and it's also basically giving the group notifications and segregating according to the user's name all the messages and the time date and the time. We'll click show analysis. So it shows the total number of messages in this group and the total words used, and it's also sharing the media. no, total media and the total edited messages. Nextly, it also demonstrates the busiest users. So you can see this, the percentage of this particular user is maximum, and these two are almost the same. The group notification, yeah, we can discard this one. So this is the least one, and this is basically the word map. The words mostly used are shown in the bold, and the lesser ones are, mm, yeah, are much thinner. There is some emoji analysis, emojis and the counts of them, and now we have this analysis of the sentiments. So, and we can take one example, for example, for this 79. So this result, compound result, is from the VADER technique, and it's showing it as minus 0.296, and the sentiment type, it is smooth no, so it is detecting it as negative, because basically in VADER technique it checks for all the words whether they are positive or no, or negative, but it doesn't basically understands the context of the whole message. So I feel like since no is a negative word, that is why it has assigned it as negative here. And in the hugging face, we can see it's more correct, so it's giving positive here. So that's all. Thank you very much.